With Dr. Oppenheim's unique passion and drive and William's determination to change his life, the match was perfect.
The fortunate of us find our passion. He's one of the fortunate.
This is what it's all about. Now I know why I do what I do.
The first thing Dr. Oppenheim did was carefully work out the design in wax for William's teeth.
After I got William's smile design and we agreed on what we were going to do, I carefully shaped each tooth to receive the porcelain.
It was 100% custom for me.
William started dating the woman he would eventually marry when he first started the process. This time, he knew if things worked out, he wouldn't have to worry about those wedding pictures.
It makes me feel confident and comfortable with myself physically, and that I can be with her and smile with our friends.
William's makeover has given him back his smile, his confidence, and his happiness. He's even had a promotion and a 20% increase in his income since the makeover.
And I can say that it has worked wonders for me.
And it's done wonders for the man who could give that kind of incredible gift.
To make a difference in his life like that. So I felt really fortunate that somehow Williams and my lives just intersected, because I think it made a difference in my life dang near about as much as it did in his. And I really do just get emotional thinking about it.
While William's case is dramatic, many others who want cosmetic dentistry simply want to feel more confident in their smiles. Up next, see the difference a smile makeover made in this woman's life. Suzanne Rudisil says her new smile was really an investment in herself and her career.
Since I've had this done, I'm smiling like an idiot. I'm walking around campus like, hi.
If you've longed for cosmetic dentistry but you're concerned about the cost, you may want to consider the cost of not taking action. A lack of confidence in your smile can hold you back from the things you want. Suzanne Rudisil, a career woman who is up in front of people all day, began to notice a lack of confidence in her smile. That's when she sought a cosmetic dentist with the experience and credentials to give her a smile makeover. Dr. Thomas Oppenheim replaced Suzanne's old crowns and gave her an entirely new smile. Suzanne Rudisil is on her way to the dentist, and this time she's not at all nervous.
I have had a horrific dental history from childhood.
Now Suzanne has an entirely new view of dentistry. She's here at the office of Dr. Thomas Oppenheim for a follow-up visit concerning her recent smile makeover.
Since I've had this done, I'm smiling like an idiot. I'm walking around campus like, hi.
The dental makeover that took her smile from fair to fantastic involved 15 crowns, all meticulously shaped to fit her look and her face.
When we were correcting Suzanne's smile, what I wanted to build into it is some teeth that really did look sleek, delicate, more feminine.
Suzanne has had numerous crowns over the years, and before her smile makeover, she was having problems. Her two front teeth had a gap, and she felt they were too large. She was also self-conscious about the discoloration, and she had discomfort.
When you have old crowns that are gapping and discoloring and the bite is off, I'm very self-critical and very aware of it. You're self-conscious.
Suzanne's career requires her to be up in front of people giving presentations and lectures, so her teeth were actually affecting her work performance.
So I got in the habit of not smiling.
And it wasn't just the cosmetic issues that bothered Suzanne. The older crowns were causing problems with her gums.
The aesthetics are important to me. But also my general oral health.
Dr. Oppenheim assured Suzanne this would be her last stop in her search for a beautiful smile and a healthy mouth.
I wanted this to be Suzanne's final stop on that quest for a beautiful smile.
From the minute Suzanne walked in the office and met Dr. Oppenheim, her fear of the dentist and her anxiousness about getting everything right began to ease.
He was very confident and instantly sure he knew what he was doing. And the staff treat you like family. They're really sweet.
There's that inner standard that I go by, and it's like family. And so when we're treating one of our patients, we don't stop when a certain amount of time passes, but we're finished when I know that we're within that range of excellence and beauty, quality. When it's really there, and I know that we've nailed it, then we're done.
Despite her confidence in Dr. Oppenheim and the staff, Suzanne remembered painful trips to the dentist when she was growing up, so she was nervous about the first procedure.
Suzanne preferred to be sedated for her first appointment, and it went really well.
In this case, once you know Dr. Oppenheim and his staff, you know you won't need it.
Dr. Oppenheim knew the case would be challenging.
One of the most challenging things about Suzanne's case was that she had some previous dental work, and the teeth were irreversibly altered, and in a way that I couldn't change. So I had to work within those parameters, and we ended up with an awesome outcome.
Dr. Oppenheim doesn't use a one-size-fits-all approach either. He carefully studies the face. He says the crowns she had were incongruent with her features.
You know, your eyes are always drawn to something that's out of proportion or different.
Dr. Oppenheim's challenge was to create the perfect teeth for Suzanne's face.
It was critically important that we arranged those anterior teeth perfectly, because those two front teeth are key to the success and outcome of the beauty of the entire smile.
When all of Suzanne's 15 crowns were in place and everything was complete, she and Dr. Oppenheim were thrilled with the results.
Suzanne and I both were really thrilled with the outcome. You know, and you could see it because that joy from within was coming out, and her eyes were just glistening and sparkling, and everything was just perfect.
I had a waiter come up to me in a restaurant a couple weeks ago, and he said, "You have beautiful teeth." He's a kid, he's like, I don't know, 19, and it was so amusing to me. I said, "Well, thank you." I said, "You can too." And it's worth getting it done right.
It's really exhilarating when you know that your patient knows in their heart, and you know in your heart, that you finally accomplished what you both set out for.
You know, they say for people who are thinking about doing some kind of surgery, or I don't know, facelift or whatever, cosmetic surgery, to really make sure, you know, you don't think this is going to change your life radically, because it won't. I would say that this does.
Dr. Oppenheim's patients are so glad they took action and went to an experienced, renowned cosmetic dentist who was always up to the challenge. Dr. Oppenheim truly loves all aspects of dentistry and patient care. His patients highly recommend him. Whether you need complex cosmetic dentistry or just routine cleanings, Dr. Oppenheim is a compassionate dentist who really cares about his patients.
Dr. Tommy is a very kind person. He's very family-oriented, and he cares about his patients. And he is very patient and explains things very well.
He is so personable. You know, I would say he's one of us.
And if you really want to see one of what I consider the world's great people as well as dentists at work, you need to come see Tommy.
He is a true artist, and he is a perfectionist. So you just know that when you come in and you talk with him and his staff, that you are going to be given the royal treatment. They are going to listen to you, they will respect your feelings, and then they will talk with you about a treatment plan.
He is one of the best, in my opinion, of any dentist that I've ever had any contact with. He's an artist, and he takes his work so seriously. You're not just a patient to him or a number to him. You're an individual, and he treats you as though he were painting a picture on canvas, and he makes your smile be what he envisions in his mind that it can be.